Okay, so they say this unboxing business is supposed to be therapeutic. So let's see how therapeutic it really is. So this is my new purchase, if you want to call it that. I really wanted it in Sage, but yeah, that one was beating the pocket. So I decided to go for the cheapest option that was available to me. So now we'll go through the unboxing experience and see how much therapy that is really going to be. I see there's these two little strips that I'm gonna have to tear down, and once I do that, then I should be in a position to behold what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? So the strips are out of the way, and now the big reveal. Let's see. Let's drop it and see how it's gonna come out. Yeah, it's actually moving out. Can you believe it? Ta-da! Okay. Looks okay. I mean, as expected, really. Let's drop it out of here. What do you get in the box? So, you get... Oh, okay. Get a number of things. Something was tied around there, I guess. Okay, anyways. It's not so important. Let's flip this around and start with the important bit. I actually find it funny that the first time I'm looking at this new gadget, I'm actually looking at it through a video and not directly as I'm looking at the screen. But anyways, such is the unboxing life, I guess. Okay, got a fingerprint reader down there, volume buttons there, and then a power button up there. SIM card slot, I take it. And okay, let's have a look at the other goodies. USB-C to USB-C. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. I wonder if my power bank should be able to charge that. Anyways, how to use that. But now I don't have a plug that's gonna be able to use that. Now I'm gonna have to buy another adapter or make a plan. What do you know? Is that HE? Oh, okay. Oh, you don't say. So there is an adapter. Just trying to get into focus here, but doesn't seem to want to. So USB to USB-C adapter, it looks like. This thing doesn't want to get into focus. Looks a little better. There you go. Oh, USB to USB-C adapter thingy-majiggy. Okay. Okay, and then we've got someone's trying to call me at the wrong time. Hey. Okay, there you go. Call ended. I have no idea what's in here. I see that tool, ejector tool. Let's see what's inside here. No, working with one hand is not easy, especially your non-dominant hand. Okay, it's been emptied out. Ejector tool. Okay, it's just paperwork. Who reads this stuff anyway? Okay, we do actually when we're in trouble and we don't know what else to do. Okay, I'll get to that later. So I guess that's it. Maybe let's flip this out of the way so that we can fire this baby up and see. But then after we fire it up and see, I'm gonna put a do not disturb sticker on the door, meaning I'm going to be playing around with it, and you guys will unfortunately be outside the door, but I'll come back with an update to let you know how it goes and how it feels and my experiences, maybe a few days from now or a week or two or whatever. So that's it. Yeah, let's see, should I charge it first to full or should I use it until it's depleted before I charge it? Let's see what this little document says. Okay, so the little document doesn't say anything specific as to whether you should charge it first or use it, so I'm gonna choose to just use it. There you go, it's coming to life. Okay, that's that. That might be as far as I'm gonna let you guys go, and then I'll see you next time.